I know in the back of my head, and I know my brother would be like, you know, come on, you've got to carry on. You've got to live your life. And you've got to be happy. But it's very hard. And you lose somebody so suddenly. You can get some comfort knowing they're not suffering. But with this, it's totally ripped from underneath you. Your life's just ripped apart with just that, in that split second.
Hi, Rachel.
Hi, come on in.
How are you doing?
Not too bad, how are you?
Good to see.
Do you want a cup of tea?
Oh, that'd be a good idea.
Come on then.
Thank you.
Jason was just a wonderful brother. He really was a wonderful brother. I just couldn't have asked for anybody better. He was always there for me through everything.
Your brother was from Derbyshire, but sadly lost his life in North Wales.
Yeah.
And whilst we lose local people, a lot of our motorcyclists come from outside the area.
Yeah.
You know, and I would like for our conversation to reach as many people from outside of North Wales as much as,
Yes.
you know, reaching it inside of North Wales.
If I can save one family, just one, from going through what we've gone through as a family, if I can save that one person, that one family going through this heartache, which affects you physically and mentally, I feel like I've done some good, that I've saved one family.
There were two motorcycles
Two motorcycles
involved
yes.
in the collision.
Yeah.
One travelling in one direction and one travelling in the other.
Yeah. Jason was on his right side of the road, and that another motorbike had come round the corner, and it was a head-on collision. My mum was obviously here with her partner, and the lady police officer walked up the drive and spoke to my mum. So she phoned me and explained that, you know, she got a police lady with her, and that she wanted to know what tattoos Jason had got. And I knew instantly, I just knew straight away that he died. Obviously, for me, it was my brother, but for my mum, it's her son. It was her child. And knowing that I couldn't do anything to help my mum, it was so hard. All the time, all you're wanting is answers. You know, why, how, what, you know, all these keeps going around in your head and you just want answers. That's the chain he got for his 21st birthday, the chain. And I've never taken it off from when we went to North Wales to identify him, and they gave us his bits back.
Yeah.
I put that on and I've never taken it off. I just feel
He's still with you there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You see things on television and you think, oh, how awful. But when that then happens to you as a family, it does it tears you apart, it destroys you.
These incidents have a massive effect on so many people.
I don't think people realise when you know, how much it affects people. It's not just us as a family, you know, the people what have witnessed it, you know, people who, you know, friends, family, everybody. It's just goes through. I mean, even probably being a policeman, you still don't get used to going to scenes where somebody's died.
Certainly no is the answer to that one, really. Unfortunately, I can remember the first one I went to where somebody lost their lives. That is now 25 years ago.
Yeah.
And I remember it like it was yesterday. So, you know, it's nothing in the same thing as you've experienced, and I wouldn't want to make it on any kind of level. No. But sadly, we see far too many. You know, it's important to be thinking about coming home as the biker, but we need to share the roads out there and not cause anybody else's loss either, you know.
You know, ride your bike, enjoy it, but think of other people out there and go home and be able to go home to your loved ones. Don't put your family through what we've been through.
And so you'd agree with our ethos of asking the question of, will you get home tonight?
Yes.